Welcome to our exploration of the molecular basis of inheritance. Today we'll uncover how genetic information is stored, transmitted, and expressed in living organisms. At the core of inheritance lies DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA consists of two strands forming a double helix composed of nucleotides. Each nucleotide includes a sugar, a phosphate group, and one of four nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These bases pair specifically, adenine with thymine and cytosine with guanine, forming the rungs of the ladder-like structure of DNA. Before a cell divides, it must replicate its DNA. This process begins when the double helix unwinds, and enzymes called DNA polymerases synthesize new complementary strands. This semi-conservative replication ensures that each daughter cell receives an exact copy of the genetic material. Genes are segments of DNA that encode traits. Variations of a gene are called alleles. The combination of alleles inherited from each parent determines an organism's genotype. We can predict the probability of traits using tools like Punnett squares. Once DNA is replicated, the next step is gene expression. This begins with transcription, where messenger RNA, mRNA, is synthesized from a DNA template. The mRNA then travels to the ribosome, where translation occurs. Here, tRNA brings amino acids, and ribosomes assemble them into proteins based on the sequence of codons in the mRNA. Not all genes are expressed at all times. Regulatory elements control when and where genes are turned on or off, allowing for cellular differentiation and response to environmental changes. This regulation is crucial for the development of complex organisms. Mutations, changes in the DNA sequence, can introduce genetic diversity. Some mutations are neutral, while others can lead to disease or advantageous traits. Natural selection acts on these variations, driving evolution. In conclusion, the molecular basis of inheritance is a complex interplay of DNA structure, replication, gene expression, and regulation. Understanding these processes not only sheds light on biology, but also has profound implications in medicine and biotechnology. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the molecular world of inheritance.